My partner and I have just bought this 1980s fixer-upper two-story home, and I thought why not start this journey by recording and journaling everything so we can look back on how far we have come. Now, when we bought this house, it was left in quite a terrible state. The past few years, we have renovated a few homes together, but this is definitely our biggest project yet. And look, when I say terrible state, I'm talking holes from punching doors, holes in walls, dog pee stained carpet that smelt so bad, chewed up door frames, and a lot of junk, rubbish, and old stinky furniture. Unfortunately, the owner did us over as he only told us he was leaving 4 items of furniture, which we were happy to dispose of ourselves to help him out. And then he left it like this, and what I'm showing in these short video clips was only half of it. To list just a few things, we counted 7 sofas, an old hot tub, a bed frame, mattress, and a massive fish tank that weighed about 200 kilos. The day we got the keys, we went over to the property and emptied the house. We've already taken 3 trailer loads to the dumping ground and are still due for at least another 1 or 2 dump runs. But despite the mess, the great thing is the house has really good bones and a huge potential to transform into something quite beautiful. Upstairs, we have 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, 1 toilet, a sunroom, a lounge, and a kitchen. And downstairs is a fully contained sort of unit studio and has its own bathroom, its own kitchen, and a large lounge area. And a very cutesy spiral staircase that leads upstairs internally. It is also in a really sought after area, which is only a few minutes from the beach. So the plan, we plan to rip out both kitchens, both bathrooms, knock out a few walls, make windows bigger, build new walls, create new rooms, lots of landscaping, and we plan to do absolutely everything ourselves. So feel free to follow along as we put in a lot of blood, sweat, and tears, make many mistakes, learn a lot, and hopefully end up with a completely dreamy home.